There's incredible benefits to making your workflow and delays visible. Visualizing your workflow using Kanban boards is one of the lowest effort and highest value practices in value stream management of digital products. In this mini workshop, you'll learn how to develop or evolve Kanban boards for teams and across a value stream. Next, you'll learn techniques for making delays visible and how to raise awareness and bring focus to them. These are just a few examples of the learning objectives of this workshop. Now, the design of this workshop is based on providing guidance, walking you through a comprehensive end-to-end set of examples and practical exercises to put the theory into action. Join me in this workshop and learn how to improve the flow of value your value stream is capable of delivering.